here and there I'm going to teach you how to shove it section. What you want to do for your shove it sex change is you got to know how to shove it and 180 hip again. Now when you're doing the shove it sex change, you're going to want to put your front foot right in the middle of the board, back, just like a regular shove it. But you want to do, you don't want to face that way, you want to kind of face that way so you can get the spin. And when you spin the shove it, and once you keep practicing them, it'll come naturally around. That's how you shove it section.